In today's healthcare environment, managing patient care effectively, staying compliant with regulations, and ensuring the financial health of your practice is more challenging than ever. To keep up, healthcare providers need a modern, reliable, and easy to use electronic medical record solution that not only manages patient data but also improves workflow, reduces administrative burdens, and enhances the patient experience. Athena Health is one of the most trusted cloud based EMR platforms that can help you do just that. Athena Health offers a comprehensive, user friendly system that helps streamline everything from patient scheduling and clinical documentation to billing and regulatory reporting. Whether you're an independent practitioner, part of a group practice, or managing multiple locations, Athena Health provides a powerful solution to help improve the efficiency of your practice and deliver better patient care. In this video, we will explore Athena Health key features, discuss the benefits it brings to your practice, and why it's one of the top choices for 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its user friendly EMR dashboard. Athena Health's interface is designed to be simple and intuitive, offering quick access to patient records, medical history, lab results, and clinical notes all in one place. It's a fully cloud based system that allows you to access data from anywhere, ensuring flexibility and mobility. This saves time by reducing the need to navigate through multiple screens and systems, which allows you to spend more time interacting with patients rather than managing technology. Another key feature is its clinical workflow automation. Athena Health offers customizable workflows that can be tailored to your specialty, helping automate routine clinical tasks such as patient check ins, clinical documentation, and follow up care. This includes features like voice dictation, e prescribing, and smart templates for different specialties. This increases the speed and accuracy of clinical workflows, reduces administrative workload, and ensures that your practice runs smoothly with minimal interruptions. Another key feature is the integrated medical billing and revenue cycle management. Athena Health billing platform integrates seamlessly with its EMR, offering tools for insurance verification, claim submission, denial tracking, and revenue cycle management. It includes real-time claim scrubbing and audit capabilities to ensure claims are processed accurately and promptly. This ensures faster and more accurate reimbursements, reduces administrative overhead in managing claims, and helps keep your practice's financial health on track. Another key feature is the patient engagement and communication tools. Athena Health empowers patients by offering access to their medical information, prescription refills, appointment scheduling, and secure messaging with their providers via the patient portal. Automated reminders and appointment notifications via text, email, or phone help ensure patients stay informed and engaged. This improves patient satisfaction and reduces missed appointments, while also increasing patient retention by offering easier, more convenient communication channels. Another key feature is the real time interoperability. Athena Health connects seamlessly with other healthcare providers, labs, pharmacies, and health systems, facilitating the exchange of patient data across different platforms. This includes e-prescribing and referrals to specialists, as well as direct integration with hospitals and other care providers. This ensures your patients receive coordinated care by giving you access to comprehensive and up to date health data regardless of where they seek treatment. So, why is Athena Health a great choice? Athena Health stands out in the crowded EMR market due to its cloud based platform, which eliminates the need for complex on site servers and IT maintenance. This means less infrastructure to manage and easier access to updates and new features. As a result, Athena Health is one of the most scalable and adaptable solutions on the market today. The system's robust interoperability features mean that data is seamlessly shared across the continuum of care, which is essential as healthcare becomes increasingly interconnected. Athena Health makes it easy to access patient data from hospitals, labs, and pharmacies, ensuring that providers have the most up to date information to make informed clinical decisions. Additionally, Athena Health provides exceptional customer support and training resources, ensuring your team is fully equipped to maximize the platform's capabilities. The platform's regular updates and new features are rolled out automatically, ensuring your practice is always on the cutting edge of healthcare technology. So basically, in a world where healthcare is becoming increasingly complex and demanding, Athena Health offers a comprehensive and easy to use solution to manage both clinical and administrative operations. Whether you're a solo practitioner or part of a multi-location practice, Athena Health's cloud-based EMR system enables you to deliver high-quality care, streamline workflows, and improve financial performance. So by choosing Athena Health, you're investing in a platform that's not only easy to implement, but also scalable and adaptable as your practice grows. With powerful features like real time interoperability, integrated billing, and automated workflows, Athena Health helps healthcare providers reduce overhead, increase efficiency, and focus more on what truly matters delivering exceptional patient care. So start using Athena Health today and experience how it can revolutionize your practice, improve patient outcomes, and boost operational efficiency. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.